Yeah, welcome guys. Welcome to another episode of the channel. And today we'll be diving in on how you can use the AI voiceover of LUMEN5. That is AI voiceover on LUMEN5. On the other video, if you've not checked the other video or if you've not seen it, the other video will be specific about generating videos on text on media videos, which that means text on media is just like something that just write about what the video is all about, but no one is going to speak. But AI voiceover, the AI is going to speak on your behalf, that is speak representing whatever you're presenting, and you'll be able to speak to the audience who are listening to whatever you're putting out there. So today we're going to check on it. If you've not checked the last video the way I said earlier, do want to check on it because it's very important. And you guys as well, just wait, finish watching this, then go check on that one. So as you all know, you're going to search for LUMEN5. I already have it on my tab, so I can just click on this but if you want to search for it, also search for it. So let me just click on it. So click on LUMEN5. So just wait for it to load, and LUMEN5. I don't need to sign in again or sign up, you understand, because my account is already here. If you watch the last video, you're gonna learn how you're gonna sign up, sign in, and do other stuff like that, you understand. So I think this is a draft work. No, it's not a draft work. So this is what we created in the last video. This is smartphone basics, a simple guide. It's basically text on media video, which no one speaks, but what's it called, the AI is giving to you just a text on media, so no one speaks. You just get to see what the AI writes and you're good to go. If you want to change the name of this, you can change it as well. Maybe you already have something that is like this, you can change the name to whatever you want. Let's just say I change this to Kiaka, so I can actually change this to the Kiaka, understand? So that's my video. So if you remember from the last, because I keep referring to the last video, making reference to the last video because it's gonna like help you a lot. If you've not seen the last video, do have to see it. Very important. Sorry for that. So we click on create new content. You can actually create a new content or create multiple clips. You can chat to video, upload your own content, record yourself. But all these features have limitations depending on how your subscription lasts and the kind of subscription you make. We're actually using a free plan now, and free plan doesn't mean we can actually access all features, you understand? So you've got to subscribe for you to enjoy all these amazing features. So let's click on the create new video. We're creating a new video, and today, the way we said earlier, we are creating an AI voiceover video today. So I already told you guys, when you get to this place, you don't need anything here. All you've got to do is just skip, you understand? Skip it. The AI is going to give you the best prompt, the best the best font, the best color, the best everything. Yours is just to give it a good prompt. If you are a good prompt engineer, you can understand what I'm saying here. And even without that, you can actually ask ChatGPT. It's going to give you the best of best. Like, that nigga is a good guy. So on our last video, we created text on media, which the sub is converts a blog post, document, or idea to video. You understand? And today we're looking on AI voiceover. Convert a blog post, document, or idea to an AI voiceover video. Let me just give you a hint about what this looks like. After giving the bot, because the bot works here, After giving the bot your prompt, the bot is going to analyze what you give to him, and it's going to give it back to you. After I give it back to you, what is giving back to you is like giving you that this is what I'm going to work on. We're going to get there, just trying to give you hints on what we are going to do, so that whenever you see something like that, you'll not be like, what is this? What's going on here? So when it gives it back to you, if you're not comfortable with it, you have to subscribe for you to be very much comfortable in doing anything here. Understand? When you subscribe, you're gonna enjoy it like mad, seriously. But even though you're not comfortable with the prompt, I'm using a free plan. There are limitations on how you can edit. If your text prompt are more than 1,200 words, you will not be able to download it. Understand? Even you will be asked to like upgrade your plan for you to enjoy most of the things here. So after everything, the AI voiceover is going to speak for your brand, and you enjoy it. So let's check on the AI voiceover. This is it here, and we need to put our prompt here. That is what we want the AI to generate for us. This is where we'll be needing ChatGPT. I already have ChatGPT on my system, so if you don't have ChatGPT, search for ChatGPT, log in, and enjoy the nigga. So let's say ChatGPT, right? What do you think we should create today? Okay, let's say get me a prompt. Okay, I think let's use this place because I already have this is the prompt we generated for the last video. Yeah, this is the prompt. So if we give the ChatGPT a prompt again, it would not be like that hard for you to understand what I'm trying to say, because this is the same page in which I used to generate. We used to generate the last prompt. And again, some of you might be wondering that this guy is using old ChatGPT. Yes, I love this one more than that GPT-5. I've always used GPT-4 mini. What do you guys call it? That one I don't like it. Even the interface looks like one golden shit like this. Sorry, Meta Abi, is it OpenAI? Sorry, I'm saying shit about your company, but and even though I'm still using this, so you guys don't have any right to pick me up. That's just a joke, by the way. So now, get me a prompt of a video of someone explaining how to let's say how to farm. Yeah, let's just use that, because so depending on the kind of video you want to generate, that one is your own your own, like I don't know how to put it, your own whatever. So whatever is comfortable by you. So we've copied it, then we'll come back to LUMEN5 here. We give the LUMEN5 our prompt, then it's going to analyze everything. Now we're going to compose the script using LUMEN5. This thing I will give LUMEN5 now, you don't just expect it to just go and generate a video like that. It's going to give us back, and let's see what LUMEN5 have for us. So if you're not comfortable with it, you can subscribe. Can you see? You can see this logo here. It means subscription. You have to subscription for you to enjoy all these things. You got to subscribe. So this is just title, thinking about starting your farm. That is title. Here's a simple step by step. So let's just continue. You can actually listen to the voice and change the voice if you want.
Thinking about starting your own farm?
You listen to the voice, right? That was Jessica voice. Understand? You can actually change. We have a lot of voice here, and I'm going to show you how to change the voice. But for free plan, you got just 2 voices. So if you want more voice, you can subscribe.
Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get going. First, look for a piece of land that gets plenty of sunlight and has easy access to water.
So that's the prompt I'll give to it.
Once you've found your spot, clear away any weeds, stones, or unwanted plants. Next, till or plow the soil so it's soft and ready for planting.
You understand, right? So now let's change the voice to this guy's voice. This Will. I love the guy. So you can see Jessica, you can see at front of you see Free, you see Will Free, you see Adam, Alice, Alison, Anna, Anthony, Aria, Arnold, Bella, a lot of them. But you gotta subscribe to enjoy these voices. Now let's listen to what's it called? Read voice. So apply it here, yeah. So let's listen to this one. Okay, it's downloading, so let it download.
Thinking about starting your own farm?
So that is Will's voice. You're gonna listen to this now.
Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get going. First, look for a piece of land that gets plenty of sunlight and has easy access to water.
As you can see, if you're a female and you want the female voice, you can use the female voice. But depending on what your client wants, if your client decides that he or she wants what's it called, a male voice, then you choose a male voice. And even when you're creating for your clients, it's not advised that you use a free plan because you must be paid. So you've got to subscribe for you to enjoy and give your client the best of what they want. If you're using a free plan and you give it to your client might not be satisfied. Understand? So let's go. Let's get to guide video. This is like the end part of what we're doing. So now this region, in our last video I see you can actually change the region, right? So let's apply it here. What we have here is Canada. Let's say you are in what's it called, you are in Togo, or you're in Nigeria, or you're in West Africa, or you're in Sudan, or you're in Spain, whatever. You can change it. Let's just add anyone. Let's add Spain. Let's add Spain. Yeah, Spain, that's the location. You can change your ethnicity, edit context, and here upload images. You can upload image if your client or what you're doing has images, and when you want LUMEN5 to add your images to your video, you click on this upload images here. When you click on upload images, you pick images from your file. If you're using your phone, you pick from your storage, and yeah, you're good to go. So that's that for that. So now let's get our video generated. Generate video. So preparing a voiceover, so working on it. See, hang tight. This could take up a few minutes, so you just have to be patient. So the bots do their work. So let's just hang tight and wait for them to give us our video. Yeah, I think our video is about to be ready now. When you have enough data plan, you will enjoy all these things. But when you don't have enough data plan, my brother. So this is it here. You see all these features here, right? All these video stuff. Anyone you don't like, you can check out these ones here. You just edit them. You can pick. As you can see, this one is free now. You can pick at them here if you want. But me, I don't want to change anything, so you can edit them. So now let's preview what we generated. Preview and listen to what we generated.
Thinking about starting your own farm? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get going. First, look for a piece of land that gets plenty of sunlight and has easy access to water. Once you've found your spot, clear away any weeds, stones, or unwanted plants. Next, till or plow the soil so it's soft and ready for planting. Choose crops that match your soil and climate, like maize, yam, rice, or vegetables. Keep your farm tidy by removing weeds and protecting your crops from pests.
Or more fertilizer for healthy growth. With patience and care, you'll soon enjoy your own fresh harvest. Simple. Can you see that? Very, very good and very, very efficient. So that is just an example of how you can create your own LUMEN5 AI voiceover video. Yeah. So if you want to what's it called, edit them, then you can edit them. For instance, now you want to change the music in it. As you can listen to this, the music there is. You want to add this now, you can add this. But as you can see, this one is subscription, it's not free. So just remove your mind from that place. You can't find free. You that you are looking for. You don't want to subscribe now, so you look for free. I don't think there's even free here. So, but if you want to look for uploads, you can upload your own music and change it, your style. You can change your style, but you cannot remove the watermark. Your color, let's say you want to change your color to green. You understand? And change your color, change your color to purple. You can see now that the colors have changed, right? You want to change it to like this red. You can see that the color has changed. Yeah, you can see, right? So let's preview this. Let's preview this color that we change. Thinking about starting
your own farm? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get going. First, look for a piece of land that gets plenty of sunlight and easy access to water. Once you found your
this
spot,
actually represent agriculture, whatever. So you can use green, you can use any color of your choice. So that's that for that. And your caption, you can see this caption. If you want caption, you can add your caption, whatever. But me, I don't think I want any caption though, because you can add your caption, whatever. It's fine. So your font, you can change your font too. You cannot change your font because you don't subscribe. But if you subscribe, you can actually change your font. This one too, your text color, you can change it. A lot of things here that you enjoy if you actually subscribe. Seriously. So you gotta subscribe to enjoy all these fucking madden things. Sorry for that decent word. So this is our source. This is our prompt. You understand? This is our prompt. This is the source, and where we get everything from. It's our media, everything. So in our next video, if you enjoy this video, do well to like, share, subscribe, and tell more friends. We've got something special here. In our next video, we'll be looking at the third part, which is how you can create avatar video using LUMEN5. And after that, we've got a lot of things to discuss with you guys. How you can create a chatbot, how you can create your own website, how you can create your Telegram bot, how you can create a lot of things using your smartphone. Not that you're using your smartphone, you'll be watching comedy, you'll be watching memes. Yeah, you've got to watch memes, but not always. It's profitable. Instead, make something out of your time, and you're gonna see in the next video. Bye for now. Peace out. Cheese.